How to fix Photos app error code 0x887A0005. To fix Photos app error code 0x887A0005 try, 1. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 3. Repair/reset Photos app. 4. Disable hardware accelerated. Video encoding in Photos. 5. Clear the MS Store cache via osreset.exe. 6. Remove, run get apps package Microsoft.Windows.Photos. Remove apps package command as admin, then reinstall Photos via Microsoft Store.